Hey Caristonic family, unfortunately, my last channel wasn't approved by you, so I have decided to switch things up. Welcome to Caristonic with commentary. Hope you enjoy it and let me know your feedback in the comments. The driver from the right side broke the signal and that caused this accident. The driver coming from the right side should have been more attentive here. It looks like overspeeding played a major role in this accident. I don't understand why the driver reacted so late. The driver coming from the left side should have been more attentive here. I'm not sure who's at fault here. Both could have reacted better. The driver from the left side broke the signal and that caused this accident. I'm not sure who's at fault here. Both could have reacted better. This seems to be a case of misjudgment, which is unfortunately very common. The driver on the right side looks like they were drunk. The other driver needed to hit the brake earlier, but the reaction time was too late. The other driver should have been more attentive here. This mistake could have been avoided. I'm not sure who's at fault here. Both could have reacted better. I don't understand why the driver reacted so late. I'm not sure who's at fault here. Both could have reacted better.